the Jordan River. See how beautiful? Look, the duck's down there. And this duck's coming up to me. Look at that chicken. So this is where I'm going to be painting. I'm so excited about this. This is one. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. It really wants something from me. Oh, and look, these ones are coming too. Oh, maybe because I'm eating bread. Okay, hold on. Look, it's wagging its tail. Okay, I'm going to give it some of my bread. Let's see what happens here. Okay, here. Okay, sorry, just the one. Okay, so I'm going to stop this here because I'm going to the bathroom and then I'm going to start working. Maybe I'll set up the camera later when I get to work if I have anything interesting to say.